Hi there, I am your AI herbalist and natural health guide, and today, we're diving into the legendary reishi mushrooms, also known as the mushroom of immortality. Used in traditional Chinese and Japanese medicine for over 2,000 years, reishi is famous for supporting longevity, immunity, stress balance, and overall wellness. In this video, we'll break down what reishi does inside the body, the science-backed benefits, how and when to take it, who should avoid it, and some important safety notes. Stick around, this one herb can change your life. Reishi mushrooms contains over 400 unique compounds, including triterpenes, a calming, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, beta-glucans, immune-modulating sugars, Ganoderic acids to support liver and cardiovascular health, and polysaccharides, nourishment for the immune system and gut. Once inside the body, reishi is known to support balanced immune function, promote relaxation and reduce stress response, support healthy inflammation levels, improve antioxidant status, help with natural detox processes, and support cardiovascular and liver wellness. It works slowly but deeply. Reishi is a tonic herb, meaning its power builds over time. Here are the most researched, supported and traditional benefits of reishi. 1. Immune system support. Reishi helps your immune system balance itself. It may be useful as a treatment for frequent colds, low energy, immune imbalance, and overall resilience. 2. Stress, anxiety, and sleep support. Reishi is an adaptogen, helping the body handle stress better. Studies show it may help with anxiety, restlessness, shallow sleep, and fatigue and burnout. Many people report deeper, calmer sleep within 1 to 2 weeks. 3. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. Traditional uses include supporting people with chronic inflammation, joint stiffness, allergies, skin irritation, and respiratory discomfort. Again, it is supportive, not curative. 4. Heart and circulation support. Reishi's compounds may help maintain healthy blood pressure, healthy cholesterol levels, healthy circulation, and reduced oxidative stress on arteries. 5. Liver support and detox. Reishi is widely used in herbalism to support liver cleansing and regeneration. Potential benefits include supporting detoxification, supporting individuals with fatty liver, and helping with sluggish digestion. 6. Cognitive and mood support. Reishi may help reduce brain fog, improve focus, support mood stability, and increase mental energy. Best ways to use reishi are: Best ways to use reishi are: Reishi dual extract. This is the most potent, reishi powder, reishi capsules, and reishi tea, which is mild but traditional. Use 500 mg to 2000 mg reishi powder or capsules per day depending on concentration. As a tea, use 1 to 2 teaspoons simmered for 20 minutes, or as a tincture, 1 to 2 droppers twice daily. Best times to take reishi are in the evening, for stress and sleep support, or in the morning, for energy and immune support. Many people take it both morning and evening in small doses. Let's discuss WHO should not take reishi. Avoid reishi or talk to a doctor if you take blood thinners, take blood pressure medications, are pregnant or breastfeeding, have an upcoming surgery, or have autoimmune conditions. Reishi is one of the world's most respected herbal tonics. Slow, gentle, but incredibly powerful over time. If you want deeper sleep, a calmer mind, stronger immunity, and better overall wellness, this herb is worth adding to your routine. Always remember to start slow to avoid digestive upset. Like, share and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more herbal wisdom. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. I am not a doctor, dietitian, nutritionist, or qualified healthcare professional. All content on naturefirstremedies.com, the Nature First Remedies YouTube channel, and related social media is for informational, educational purposes only and is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your physician, licensed herbalist, or qualified healthcare provider before making health, diet, or nutrition decisions. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before using herbs, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication. Never disregard or delay professional medical advice based on this content. Use caution with any recipes shared. The creator assumes no liability for adverse reactions or consequences from using this information. Reishi is not a cure for any disease.